Okay, number 7, we have a mixture problem. So all the mixture problems are the same, right? And you should be drawing the table based on what type of problem it is, right? And then you fill in the table as you go with the information they provide. So this is a mixture. We're mixing two different things that cost different. So it's the amount you have times its price equals how much money that costs, right? So if you were buying 2 pounds of apples that cost $5 a pound, you multiply and you get 2 times 5, it would cost you $10. Okay, so now we have chocolate worth $1.20 a pound and chocolate worth, okay, so we have two different kinds of chocolate. At 90 cents a pound. So I'm gonna, okay, so this is chocolate one, and this is chocolate two, And it says how many pounds of chocolate worth $1.20 a pound, so that's this one, $1.20 a pound, must be mixed with 10 pounds, they tell us this one, 10 pounds of chocolate worth 90 cents a pound to produce a mixture worth $1 a pound. So this mix has to be $1 a pound. And now we have to fill in the rest of the chart on our own. So the variable for here is, we'll call it C for chocolate, right? Even though it's chocolate 1, right? We'll know that from our table. And the mix, we don't know. And then we can multiply across to get this one. So this is 1.2C. This is 0.9. This is 10 times 0.9, right? 0.9, which is 9, right? And then this is 1 times M, which is M, right? And our two equations always come from the two columns. So the first one is C plus 10 equals M. And the second one is 1.2C plus 9 equals M. Okay, now, since they're both solved for M, this is kind of jumping out to use equal value method. So we can set them equal to each other. So we get C plus 10 equals 1.2C plus 9. So I can subtract C from both sides. And I get 10 equals 1.2 minus 1 is 0.2C plus 9. Subtract 9 from both sides. And I get 1 equals 0.2C. And then I divide both sides by 0.2, right? 0.2 goes into 1. So think about this. How many times does 20 cents go into $1? 5 times, right? So 5 equals C. So C equals 5. And the question says, how many pounds of this chocolate do I need to add? So we need to add 5 pounds of chocolate. That's how much we have to add to get it to come out to $1 per pound.